Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're going to talk about choosing profit-producing activities.
So here recently I've been really tied up with work. In fact, we're kind of just shooting this midday because it's super hot in the shop, and so I'm taking a little siesta, and I'll go to work much later. I'm choosing to do swing shifts. But I haven't been doing a whole lot in the way of video content here lately. We've just been surviving off of other videos. But this brought up a great point of choosing profit-producing activities. So right now I have about 9 months of orders, backlogged orders, and there's more coming in by the day. That is how we make our main bread. That's how we make our main income. And so therefore that is the most profitable activity for me to be doing right now. Videos, unfortunately, they're about maybe make $9 over the course of an entire month, maybe over the course of the entire year. Versus I can be doing work or iron work that maybe makes $1,000 in 1 week for me. Or maybe $1,000 in 1 month for me. Either way, doesn't matter. Which one of those are higher on the priority poll?
Right.
So choosing to do profit-producing activities is very tricky because on one hand, I love to do the teaching and the YouTube videos and the things like that. But unfortunately, that doesn't pay enough of the bills in order for me to just do that, right? And so sometimes you have to make that hard shift in your mind. Okay, am I going to be able to pay my bills, or am I going to be able to take and do something that I love to do? And that's tough.
Yeah, and it comes in a couple of different forms for you. You're talking right now just about doing YouTube versus doing customer orders.
That's one facet.
That's another facet is doing customer orders versus doing projects that you want to do or pieces that you want to be examples of your work that you could put in galleries or that you could show off and display in different locations. And whereas you may not get paid instantaneously, or you may never get paid because you want to keep that piece just as an example of your work, you're putting all your time and your effort into doing something like that versus something that'll actually make you money. Yeah.
And then, so to weigh that out, okay, is what is profit? Profit is benefit to you. Benefit to you. That's weighing out your cost and your labor costs and all those things, and how much you've made. How much did you move that peg forward? How much did you move that bar? Did you set that bar up any higher for yourself? The rate in which is that you set that is how much profit you made, that gap in between. Well, that can be definable in a lot of different ways. So maybe constantly being on social media and you're hashtagging your whole entire day, right, with Instagram and stuff, that's broadcasting, right? It's broadcasting that you exist. That has value, but you have to decide how much value does that have versus 8 hours in the forge. If you spend 8 hours doing Instagram posts, is there anything else? And this is going to run a little bit more than 3 minutes, and so I apologize. It's kind of a big topic to try to condense into 3 minutes. I would encourage you to weigh out things in your life like that. What is going to move me a little further down the path? What is going to get me to my goals a little quicker than, maybe a different activity that you might be doing? And that will help you be a lot more efficient in life and hopefully a lot more prosperous in your business. So that's going to be it for this 3 minutes at 3-ish at 3.
Thanks for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.